Hi children, good morning. Today the subject which we are going to see that is maths, and then the topic is ordinal and cardinal numbers. Let us see about that. Look at this paper children. I have written ordinal numbers. See, there are some clues you can easily find out which is ordinal. First we will know about the ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers always tell about order or rank or position or date of the objects. Okay, so the order, which is order? Here I have given one example for you all. See that this A, B, C, D, E, F, this is the row. They are standing in one order. If I want to find out where is E or where is D, where is C, I have to look at the positions. Okay, so in this order the D is the fourth place. The fourth, that is the ordinal number. Okay, and E is the fifth position. So the A is in the first position, B is in the second position, C in the third, and D is in the fourth place, and E is in the fifth place, and F in the sixth place. This is in order. They are standing in the queue. I am going to find where is one person. It's okay. So if I find the persons according to the position, so if I going to find out the D or C space, how can I say third place or fourth place, like that only? So fourth, it is the position of this queue. So in this queue we are using order to find out the ordinal number. Now you see the example for the rank. Yeah, these three girls got the prize in the running race. Okay, so here are the three girls, Rani, Kala, Moni. So these three girls got the prizes. What is the first prize? Who got the first prize? Yeah, Rani. Who got the second prize? Kala. Who got the third prize? Moni. So these three girls got the prize. Okay, so according to the prize wise, so how we are saying first prize, second prize, third prize? We should not say one prize, two prize, three prize. Do you all understood children? What is that? First prize, second prize, third prize only we should say. We should not say one prize, two prize, three prize. Okay children, let us know about another one. Look at this three pictures children. This is brinjal, this is apple, and this is carrot. Okay, so if I tell you, any one of you, go on, touch the first picture. Which is the first picture? Brinjal. Go and touch the third picture, carrot. Touch the second picture, apple. Okay, so we won't say one picture, two picture, three picture. Okay, we used to say according to the position, where are they. We have to see that. Okay, this is in first place, this is in second place, this is in third place. So positions also we can see in the ordinal numbers. See some more examples for the ordinal numbers children. The first one, you read it. Submit your homeworks on 22nd of July. Sometimes your miss will give the homeworks and ask you to submit the notes, and something date she will give you. Okay, so how she will used to say 22nd, 24th, 26th, like that. So in date also we can use the ordinal numbers. And look at this, 21st century. We are all living in 21st century, like that we can say the sentence. And okay, the 21st is the ordinal number. The third example, you read it. My birthday party will be on 30th of May. Okay, so here 30th, it is a ordinal number. Let us know about the cardinal number. Yeah, see this children, this is cardinal numbers. The cardinal numbers always tell about the quantity and also answer the question for how many, and it is face value. It tells about the face value of the number. Already we know about the place value only. What is the face value means? It is very easy. Once you are telling the name of the number, that is called face value. Nothing is that. Okay, let us see the quantity. What is the meaning of the quantity? Yeah, this example, rice bag. In our house we are having rice bag. In that, how many kgs we are buying? If you buy in the shop, we will ask them, I need 25 kg, I need 10 kg, like that, no? So that is the quantity. Okay, and then how many? So if I bought one chocolate box, I used to say there are 20 chocolates in this. Okay, so how many chocolates are there? That is the question. I have the answer 20. not 20th chocolate, okay, 20, like that, not 25th kg, 25 kg, okay, like that face value already I told you, the just name of the numbers, okay. So these three are the keys for the cardinal numbers. Now we will compare ordinal and cardinal numbers also, children. Don't afraid, children, just I have written all those things, you can just read it, it is very easy. Once you understood, it is very easy, okay. See, I have written the cardinal numbers here. I told you already, the cardinal numbers always you can write the face value of the numbers. Whatever the number, you are going to write the name of the number. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. That's all. Now we are going to see what are the ordinal numbers for these 10. Okay, the 1, how we are write in the numeral form? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. In this form, the first and second, these two numbers, and then third, these are having different. First, we are going to add ST and ND with the 2, RD with the 3. Okay, remaining all will get TH only. So that first, second, third, these three only difference. Remaining 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, all the words form of the ordinal numbers. How to write in the spelling? Okay, see the first, FI or ST, first. Second, SCCOND, second. Third, THIRD, third. Fourth, FOURTH, fourth. Fifth, FIFTH, fifth. Sixth, SIXTH, sixth. Seventh, SEVENTH, seventh. Eighth, EIGHTH. Okay, that is eighth. Ninth, NINTH, ninth. Tenth, TENTH, tenth. Here, the first and second, third spellings difference, and also fifth, and see the ninth spelling NINTH only, not ETH, okay. So that is the correct spelling, children. I hope you all understood about the ordinal and cardinal. Do the homework very well, children. Thank you.